Okay, I wanted to do a quick little video on this PWC, what is it, the 3000, and this is the LI. So this version of this winch runs off of batteries, which I'll remove power for what we're doing, but I beat up my entry hook quite a bit, and they sell an upgraded entry hook with a tension rod, so we're going to give that a try, and I just wanted to share that. So I got that, and this old entry hook is going to come off. It's been I've taken it and it's gotten beat up, and I tried to reshape it, but it's not exactly the correct shape, and I'm not sure if this upgraded entry hook is shaped exactly the same, but the thing that I'm interested in is it comes with a tensioner. Okay, so these are the parts for the upgraded entry hook for the PWC 3000 or different versions of portable winch, company winch. So here's a shouldered bolt, and this goes on like so, and this little rubber piece, there's a little hole to align that, so that goes through the hole, and then that goes in there like this, and there's a little washer that goes on the back of there, and then this entry hook, and that's going to line up right in there like that. Hopefully you can see that well. And that thing, there's a setup for that, so that's just got to go right in there. And taking off or installing the old one and installing the new one, you got to line this up with the hole, but that can be done with a 13 millimeter wrench, like everything that you have to do. You just need that one 13 millimeter wrench. The first time this threaded in a little difficult. In fact, I had to chase this with a nut, the threads, because there was maybe a little burr on it. But other than that, this thing worked really slick. So I'm just going to leave it here so you can see it, but that's the installation. And the way this thing works is the rope comes in this way, and it's tensioned here. You get your wrap, and up and out. So pretty slick. We'll just throw a short length of bead up rope at this thing to see how it goes. Part of me wants to send that knot through it just to see how it'll handle it, but I really don't want to break this $25 add-on that I just got for the winch. right, so we went from this loading to that loading. And I have used this, and it does work nicely. I'm gonna get a old style entry hook for maybe stuff that I think it's just gonna try to break that, but I used it and this worked pretty well, so I'll get one of each. But this was I think it was like $25 from American Forestry, and I'll include the part number. I think it was PWC 1160, but I'll include that. And that part number is PCA-1160.